Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for Chargebee. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in chargebee.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Chargebee. Click on the sign up for free button at the bottom of the screen and go through the sign up process. To sign up for a new account, you can use your Google account. Go ahead and enter your work email in the first text box. Enter your phone number and select your annual revenue range. Follow through the prompts till the end and complete your sign up. And you will be able to create a new account for Chargebee. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.